Hello guys, and welcome back to TMB. I'm your boy, the Nature Boy here. Thank you guys for joining me for another episode. Uh, Today is the goal before the end of the year is to break my PB. My biggest bass, it was out of this place, my honey hole back here. It was 8 pounds. And so I've caught big fish, 6, 7, 4 or 5, but nothing over 8. And so the goal this year is to break my PB. And today is the day to break the PB. And so I thank you guys for joining me again today. And so let's get it. Some lures we're gonna be working through today. Try to get through some of these. This is a Guggen bait on a ball, like a Texas rig style with the little ball on the front of that. And this is a Guggen bait, Trench Hawk Pure Passion. Great to loot, great to use. And Strike King, guys. Check out Strike King. They have so many lures and baits. It's like a little mini grub. And culprits. First time using, a couple times used these. It's just the worm with the tail on the back. And something really cool. I'm gonna cast this out first, see what goes on. And Celibus crankbaits and some yum crawls. And so I'm gonna pop off with that, and I'm gonna work this little top bait and see what goes on, guys. All right, fishing freaks, it is late in the day. It's 4:52. This is around time these fish start to feed again. I had some family in town, so I had to hang out. I hung out with them and chilled out. Promo time, mystery tackle box. Just joke, I'm not gonna talk like that through this promo. Been struck by, sponsored by Carl's Bait and Tackle. Great for beginners, man, because you want to know why? Because they jam everything you need, coinciding with the fishing season. So we're in the fall season. They're gonna have some fall lures, fall baits, and this is a pro box. They have different boxes for different level of fishermen. And they also have a little card and that you can watch videos and check out and see how to use these baits and lures. So check out MrTackleBox.com and get it popping, baby. Okay, that was a great promo. I'm getting pretty good at that, man. Been doing that promo for a couple years now. So we're gonna get it popping with this lure. I used this a while back in South Carolina, but it's a lure that I've been wanting to fish. When I go to Bass Pro Shops and stuff, and I'd be like, man, why don't they come out with a dragonfly lure? And so, Lunker Hunt, they come out with a lot of cool stuff, but this is the one that I've been wanting to fish for a very, very long time. And so, we're gonna throw that around first, see if we can get the monster out of here today. So I'm gonna be throwing some short casts. It might be some fish in the shadow. So basically like a top water type of lure. So I'm using it. Let me throw it in this back corner over here. Let's see what it do. They might just hit it because it looks like a bug. Let's get it out there. Oh, that was cool. See that fish come up and eat that. Wow, he stalked it. That was so crazy. That bass stalked it and just came up and snatched it, man. That was the best eat I've seen in a long time. Matter of fact, I haven't seen it eat like that. This little bass, he wanted it. First fish of the day. The way that fish turned, it was like, man, that is a dragonfly. So dragonfly strikes first today, thanks to Bunker Hunt. All right. Nice little fish. Let me set it back up. All right. It's one of those lures that, man, you can use over and over and over. I forgot how easy this lure is to you keep using over and over again. But you just reset, stick it back through, and voila, man. It is ready to go again. Dragonfly strikes first. I love the way that fish hit it, man. He hit it like it was something that was normal. That type of strike, you can't get it anywhere. Ooh. Got him. Small one. Yeah, nice size. Nice size bass. He has a big mouth. Big mouth. Oh, ooh, nice. Buzzbait fish. Woo. Ski him on in. Nice buzzbait fish. Thank you, buddy. Well, there's the buzzbait fish. That's the big boy. Here we go. Sorry, buddy. All right. I kind of figure if I came to the deeper part out of this shallow that I could pop off a buzzbait fish. Ah, another buzzbait. Boy, I think it's buzzbait city now. This is the perfect time. A little tiny fish. A small buzzbait record fish. And he's a feisty little fish. Okay, buddy. Look at this little fish. Hit this buzzbait. That is awesome, man. He's a predator. He's gonna do well in the wild. Hitting a buzzbait like that. Like he came from behind it and just grabbed it. It was so subtle. That was an aggressive small fish, man. Hit a buzzbait. All right, thank you guys for joining me today. Was beat by the light. Tried to get enough in to keep going, but
The buzzbait did turn things up and ended the day off on a couple buzzbait fish. So until next time, remember, keep it popping, guys.
Ah, another buzzbait. Boy, I think it's buzzbait city now. Look at this little fish. Hit this buzzbait. That is awesome, man. He's a predator. He's gonna do well in the wild. Hitting a buzzbait like that. Like he came from behind it and just grabbed it. It was so subtle. That was an aggressive small fish, man. Hit a buzzbait.